Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Sublime Text on Windows 11 PC. Sublime Text is the most popular code editor software for Windows 11 and other operating system. It is very lightweight and it is very useful software. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to install it. So I go to my browser and then I type Sublime Text and hit enter. This is the official website of Sublime Text software, so I click on it. Now this is the Sublime Text 4 version. This is the first interface of Sublime Text. So I click on download for Windows button and it will starting downloading. So download is completed. So I minimize my browser and this is the setup file of Sublime Text. So I double click on it and click on yes and then click on next button. Add to context menu. So I click on it and click on next and click on next. So installation is completed. So I click on finish button. From the start I see that this is the Sublime Text, so I click on it. This is the very first look of Sublime Text. It is unlicensed version because I did not buy any kind of license key for this. And from the save option we can see that a lot of file extensions supported by this software. So that was my video. In this video I will show you how to install Sublime Text on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.